Find or read reviews that people are talking about BRITDAG portable car jump starter with 150 psi air compressor. Why you should choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you should choose that. Powerful and reliable jump starter. Featuring 2000 amp peak current, this compact jump box instantly starts dead batteries. It supports up to 20 starts per charge and is compatible with vehicles up to 5.0L gasoline or 2.0L diesel engines. All-in-one 160 psi air compressor and inflator. Quickly inflate car tires, SUV tires, sports balls, air mattresses, inflatable boats, and more. Note, for optimal performance, allow a 10-minute cool down after inflating a car tire. Designed for emergency, occasional use, not continuous commercial operation. Advanced safety protection. Equipped with spark-proof technology and reverse polarity protection. This ensures completely safe, worry-free connections to any 12-volt battery, eliminating the risk of sparks or damage from incorrect hookups. High-speed 45-watt PD Power Bank. The built-in 45-watt power delivery or PD power bank rapidly charges smartphones, tablets, and other USB-C devices. It recharges itself in just about 1 hour, ensuring it's always ready for your next emergency or adventure. 7-mode LED work light. The integrated 100-lumen LED flashlight offers 7 useful modes, including SOS and strobe. It provides essential illumination for roadside repairs, emergencies, or camping in low-light conditions. Ultra-compact and portable. Weighing only 2.3 pounds, its compact design packs serious power. It easily fits in your glove box, trunk emergency kit, or backpack, making it the perfect travel companion for peace of mind on the road. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.